Hi, this is Doug and Cindy with Elder Law Practice 5Cast. Thanks for joining in today. Today we're going to be talking about legal planning if your loved one is currently in an assisted living or I guess independent living or is somewhere where you know maybe they haven't done everything yet and you're just trying to help. Maybe you're one of the kids and you're trying to help mom or dad finish getting their ducks in a row. So one thing may be power of attorney. So why is this important?
Power of attorney is the permission slip, if you will, for someone to handle your mom or dad's financial affairs. If you need to go to the bank, get some money out of their account, and you're not on that account, they're not even going to give you any information about the account. So you need to have this written authority. You need to be named in this legal document. It's really very important because at this point your loved one has exhibited some need for assistance, care, or supervision, and they probably still have the cognitive ability to sign legal documents.
And hopefully they do that, and that's kind of a biggie, isn't it?
It is.
I mean, if they don't have cognitive ability, it may be too late to do this. But if they do have, and a lot of people in assisted living still have their cognitive ability, they know what's going on, they just need help. Mom may be a fall risk,
right,
or she
have
just
a heart condition,
just need a little help getting around, and she just needs some help. And if this is the case, your parents need some help. Like Cindy said, one of the big things is power of attorney, and we say big because we've been doing this for a while, actually for quite a while, and we encounter this almost every week.
Yes.
Every week.
Well, statistically, the bar says that 70% of Americans don't have any type of estate planning done. And this, to me, is the primary document that you need, the primary legal document, a general durable power of attorney.
So, yeah, where mom can make the decision. Who does she want making decisions for her if she can't make them herself? And she may have sometimes it's combined in one document, usually not. Usually there's a separate property power of attorney and a separate healthcare power of attorney, because in Arkansas there's two bodies of law, one on property powers of attorney, one on healthcare powers of attorney. And it may be different people. She may want one person making her financial decisions for her and another person making her healthcare decisions for her. So very important.
And they're used in different places. You're not going to take your healthcare power of attorney down to the bank to deal with financial issues.
And you're not going to you send your property, your financial power of attorney to your doctor or hospital or nursing home or medical clinic, separate documents. Estate planning and asset protection planning. If you are watching this and you're in assisted living or independent living, or if you're one of the kids watching this for your parent, like Cindy said a minute ago, statistically, 70% of the people have not done any of this planning at all. Or if you have, maybe it's real old, it's real out of date, it's been years since you've even got this looked at.
Or it was downloaded from the internet.
Oh, yeah, don't even go there. So estate planning, is it what you want? Is it up to date?
Is it adequate?
Adequate, sometimes it's so old it's even counterproductive. It's like what mom or dad wanted 30 years ago or 40 years ago, and it's just not even right anymore, not even close. So getting that correct. Asset protection, this is a big issue, and a lot of times, independent living or assisted living is private paying out of pocket. But what if their health declines more and they have to go to a nursing home and have to apply for Medicaid to help pay for this? Most of you know nursing homes are very expensive, usually in our state $5,000 and up per month. And what if this is required? Well, assets are determined, and if it's a countable asset, it has to be spent down. What if the thing that's worth a lot of money is like a farm or a house?
Yeah. So you need to plan in advance. If you are in the assisted facility right now, if assisted living, or if your loved one is, and you haven't planned for the future, you need to plan for the future. But if they are there right now, how are you paying for this? Is it private pay? Do you have long-term care insurance that might help pay for it? Have you, Medicaid pays in some facilities if they accept Medicaid. VA, there are different sources of payment that you need to look at.
And this is just part of the planning process. How are things being paid for now in an independent or assisted living facility versus how would they be paid for down the road if more care is required. So all of these things need to be looked at. Meet with your financial advisor, meet with elder law attorney, and while your loved one still has the cognitive ability to plan and make their own decisions, this is the time to be doing it. So thanks for joining us today. Have a great rest of the week.
And thank you for being a caregiver for your loved one. You're making a huge difference in their life.
So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and click on that little notification bell to be notified the next time we do a video.
And if you want to interact with us, check out the description below and leave us a comment and let us know what legal or caregiver topics you'd like to hear about.